My favorite sport. J.K. Rowling is famous for her books about the wizard Harry Potter. Harry's world is magical. But did you know you can actually play his favorite sport, Quidditch? I'm on my university team and it's brilliant. Here's how you play Quidditch. There are 7 players in each team. 1 seeker, 3 chasers, 2 beaters and 1 keeper. Each player rides a broomstick. The only difference to the film is that our broomsticks can't fly. You must keep the broomstick between your legs at all times. The chasers try to throw the ball through hoops at the end of the pitch to score a goal. The beaters try to stop them. The keeper guards the hoop. The seeker, that's me, catches the snitch. In the books, the snitch is a tiny magic ball. In real life, a player dressed in yellow carries it in a special bag. If I catch the snitch before the other team's seeker, my team wins. It sounds crazy, but Quidditch is great fun and good exercise. Would you like to play Quidditch? What's your favorite sport?